Huh. Well, to say the least bit, this is awkward. I haven't been on here in like forever. Let's just say that. And yeah, I've changed a whole lot. um, cats. I like cats. I like potatoes. And I like Green Day, if you can't tell. I'm doing my English project right now because I am cool and I'm a freshman now. I'm trying to hide from my mother because I hear her outside. She said to work. I don't like working. I like Jenna Marbles. Because Jenna Marbles is amazing. And I'm in color guard now because I'm cool. And I'm in my glasses and I have a big little bun because this is Ratchet Living Central. And yeah. Hey. I'm so awkward.